My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Audi RS5. This vehicle has done just under 48,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature. And to the right, we have voice control, our RS mode button, which allows us to switch between dynamic, RS1 and RS2. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving on to our touchscreen, we have our main features on our first page, which include media, smartphone integration and navigation. As we scroll across to the second page, we can access our vehicle settings, as well as our favourites. On our third page, we can access purchases, weather, our messages, news, users, help and legal. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our 3-zone climate control, as well as heated seats on either side. We have 3 different driving modes to choose from. So if we press our drive select, we can switch between dynamic, auto and comfort. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.